1969 Chevrolet C10 pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Built 327 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 to be exact. Little information on that engine. Does have a Holley Sniper EFI system on it. Comp cam and lifters. Edelbrock Performer RPM intake. ARP intake bolts. HEI ignition. It's been dynoed at 330 horse, 350 pound-feet of torque. Let's take a look at this. Front chrome, bright work, headlight surrounds, power steering, power brakes, vintage AC. Technician did note AC compressor kicks on and off. AC wasn't real cold, may need to be recharged. If you want to see that engine bay, undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. Of course, you can also call us 507-386-1726. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. A light blue interior, white painted cab top. Radial tires, chrome wheels. Chrome wheels in nice condition also. Let's take a look down this passenger side. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a small spot. Maybe it's been touched up. Notice in the door there, if you can even see it. And then just a small bubble at the bottom of that door. This one will definitely turn some heads, the way it looks and the way it sounds. Bench seat. That is a removable armrest and a little storage compartment with a couple cup holders. There you can see aftermarket retro sound radio. The vintage AC controls below it. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Fuel tank has been relocated from the cab to the rear of the vehicle. You can see that bedside nice and straight. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Stamped tailgate, also nice shape. A couple little wear spots right by the handle. And then that fuel fill, since it's been relocated, is right back here. Wood bed. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few other things I do want to note on here. Body seals have been replaced. Does have a new Speedo head unit. The coolant temp sensor was also replaced recently, as well as the washer pump. Technician noted the brakes are 90% or better front and rear. A few minor seeps as far as drivetrain, nothing out of the ordinary for a vehicle that is actually driven. And this one you can get and turn the key and go. And you're going to be able to hear it in just a bit. We'll take a peek underneath the hood too. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this one for a drive as usual. Show you how it goes down the road. And you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches again up and down that driver's side. There is a little spot at the bottom of the door, kind of like on the passenger side. A little bit of a bubble there. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. And you'll be able to see still pictures of the interior. uniqueclassiccars.com. Door panels. Looking good. Vinyl bench. Seat belts intact up front here. All right, tilt column and then custom stereo speaker install. The headliner, kind of a cool setup. And those are working, sounds good. Speaking of sounds good, here's the Sniper head unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn. Key on, you see how this works. Electric fuel pump pressurizing. Retro sound stereo system. All working. Let's go ahead and fire it up. All right, so you see the readouts and RPMs over here in that Sniper system. Readout of the stereo. Battery gauge, temp gauge, oil pressure. Top of the dash. Door closes nicely. They don't sound like that anymore, huh? Let's listen. Built 327. Sounds good. Hey, by the way, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's pop this hood, take a peek underneath it, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around a little bit longer. Jason will take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy like the rest of the truck. And engine bay. So Will Wood, master cylinder, proportioning valve, brake booster, headers, AC compressor, power steering, MSD ignition. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. '69 Chevrolet C10. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1969 Chevrolet C10 in a beautiful bright blue. This truck equipped with Sniper EFI. It's a strong runner, and we've got a retro sound style radio in the dash. A little traffic, and they're finally out of the way. Let's go see how she does. Turn signals are working. This is an automatic, so it's easy to drive. Very nice acceleration. Now the steering wheel's clocked slightly to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. Just to the right of the column, we have the Sniper EFI screen giving us all the vital statistics. The factory battery gauge on this truck is right in the middle. The temperature is a little less than half. Speedometer is working. The fuel gauge is showing me a half a tank right now. And the oil pressure is showing 3/4 of the way up, so that actually all looks good. Blower motor down here from Classic is also working. Wipers work. Over my head I have the very cool Highliner headliner, which has built-in speakers. 2 for the passenger, 2 for the driver. Makes for good audio. That blue carried through to the bench seat, the cup holder armrest, and the carpet. It's a good looking truck. Brakes feel good. Easy to steer with power steering. Corners well. That was the kickdown working as it should on the automatic transmission. Great visibility in this truck. A good looking C10. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1969 at UniqueClassicCars.com.